Hi everyone, this is Dr. R. Alarmelu Mangai, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So, in this Fundamentals of Data Analytics series, we are going to discuss about velocity, which is one of the four V's, that is characteristics of big data. Now, what is velocity? Velocity in big data refers to the speed at which data is generated, collected, processed, and analyzed to derive actionable insights. In today's world, organizations need to analyze data in real time or near real time to stay competitive. The faster an organization can act on data, the better it can respond to opportunities. Key characteristics of velocity in big data. Data streams are generated continuously from multiple sources, including IoT, social media platforms, financial transactions, sensors, and mobile apps. Some applications, such as fraud detection or autonomous vehicles, need real time responses to avoid losses or accidents. In high velocity environments, actions are triggered automatically by specific data points or events. For example, detecting unusual patterns in financial transactions can trigger alerts for fraud investigations. Examples of velocity in action. Stock markets operate with enormous data speeds, whereas algorithms make buy or sell decisions in microseconds. Even the smallest delay can lead to significant financial losses. Platforms like Twitter or Facebook generate massive streams of data to detect trending topics or monitor brand sentiment. Companies need real time analytics, and a sudden urge in mentions of a product can alert companies to a viral trend or potential PR issue. Smart devices such as thermostats, wearables, or industrial sensors generate continuous data streams. Real time processing is essential to trigger automated responses such as turning off machinery when a fault is detected. Banks and financial institutions process thousands of transactions per second. AI based fraud detection systems monitor these transactions in real time to detect unusual activity pattern and block fraudulent transactions before further damages occur. Technologies supporting big data velocity. Edge computing. In IoT environments, data is processed locally rather than being sent to a central cloud. This reduces latency and ensures faster responses. In memory computing, technologies like Redis or Apache Ignite store and process data in memory rather than on disk, enabling millisecond level response times for high velocity applications. Challenges of high velocity in big data. Managing huge streams of incoming data requires scalable infrastructure that can ingest, store, and process it without delays. Even a few milliseconds of delay can result in significant issues, especially in industries like finance or autonomous vehicles. Coming to the assessment part, you have to study the velocity in big data. So velocity is nothing but traveling speed of data. So since we are considering social medias and everything for our business intelligence to improve our business, we will be getting the data every millisecond like stock markets. So this velocity is one of the important character in big data. So we have so far studied two V's in big data, and you have to study well what is velocity in big data. And this is your reference part, and in the next video we are going to discuss about sophisticated consumer. Thank you.